It's absolute bullshit. Like every other time they have like a little panic meltdown about the weather, it's like 2 inches. It's ridiculous. Alright. I gotta go clean up my car. Talk to you later. Bye. Are you fucking kidding me? You son of a bitch! What the fuck are you doing in my car? You're not raping me, buddy! Are you fucking kidding me? Like, you son of a bitch! What the hell is... Oh my god, you got blood on my fucking seat! Get out of here! Go!
Thank you!
Oh, I have to burn that. You drank my beer! Oh, I hate Brooklyn!
If you're like me, you've got a strong fight or flight response built in. Most people haven't. That's clearly the case today. Fight or flight kicked in. In this case, it was flight. And she really got me pretty good. I think she broke a rib, maybe 2. She also got my hat. So I'm gonna need to get a new hat and maybe find some more shelter. One thing's clear though, I won't be staying in her car anytime soon, let me tell you that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go walk to Chinatown and get some of those dollar dumplings that I like so much. Until next time, stay safe out there, folks.